Hello friends, Anamitra here, and along with me, Robin and Rubel is also in this uh, video. And today we are going to start our one of SEO tutorial. I will just tell you some background of uh, the story of starting this free SEO tutorial. Okay. Uh, if you guys know that in my squadninja.net, okay, I never focused on SEO part. I always focused on the paid marketing, and through which I used to generate leads and nurturing these leads and converting these leads into our paid customer with respect to our paid courses. Now, a few days back, I was thinking that I should also start SEO as our long-term strategy. So with this, I was talking to Robin, I was talking to Rubel, and then Rubel has decided that he is going to help us in, doing the SEO part of our website, squareninja.net. Now we were discussing these things, and then I have decided that whatever the things we are going to implement into the squadninja.net, because currently we have not implemented anything with respect to SEO. So we decided that whatever we are going to implement in squadninja.net, we will make it public. Okay, we'll show to uh, our subscriber, email subscriber, our group members, whoever wants to learn SEO, okay, they can see it live case study. It can be a live case study, and they can similarly, they can implement all these tactics to their blog or their website and other things. Okay. Now, this is one thing. So second thing, okay, we want to make it as we want to make this to reach to the maximum people. So we decided that whatever we are going to do it, we'll put into a video form and we'll put into our YouTube channel. Okay, we'll make a separate playlist with the name of SEO. Okay, so the main purpose and the main agenda of this video series, so that the people can get the more practical exposure, get to know more practical knowledge, not only the theoretical knowledge, and whatever we are going to implement, what are the results will be coming in the future, they can see this also, that how we are growing from nothing to some level. Okay, so then we have decided that we can make it in a, we will make a video in a conversation mode also. We and Robin will look this as a spectacle or audience perspective. Rubel is going to implement and explain the things, and we might ask few questions which you might thinking while watching the video and all this. So let's get started. Rubel, you just share your screen and give us the brief introduction about all this 2 months program with at least 8 videos, right? One video
Yes,
per week.
Yeah, first
Okay.
I would request Rubel to give some introduction about himself so that people
Yeah,
could connect with him.
yes,
I
yes.
am Rubel. My full name is Muhammad Ribat Mahmoud Rubel, and I am from Bangladesh. And I am a student of Mr. Anamitra's research. And as a teacher, he is so much, what to say, amazing. And
Yes.
with his inspiration, we are going to launch our first SEO tutorial, and I think it will be different than the other tutorial.
Yeah.
So let's start to
Yeah.
what we will show.
Sure, sure. Rubal, you can share your screen and you can start that. What are the things? Why this program is unique? Okay, this program
Yes,
is
this
totally
program is going
unique
to
with
be
respect to the
because
other program.
from the beginning we were hearing that backlinks are a great factor in SEO, and many people are doing backlinks, trying to make backlinks, selling backlinks. But the amazing thing is that the backlinks are going to die very soon. So will SEO will die? No. For better SEO, we have to need keywords. Keywords are those things that are searched on search engines. Everything we search on the search engines are keywords. So for better result on search engines, we need to have a deep keyword research. And it has a great importance on SEO. But this keyword research have some techniques. In our videos, we will disclose those techniques.
Yeah.
And we
So,
define
yeah,
yes, sir.
yeah, you can go ahead.
Yes,
Carry
sir.
on.
And we will also describe what is the difference between the keywords and the titles. Because we observed that many people mix with these two terms. So we will also teach how to make a suitable title with the appropriate keywords so that the
Okay.
title and the keywords just drop on the search engines.
Okay. So
And
this is whole, this is the part of your video one, right?
yes, sir, it
That
is the
keyword
part of
resource,
video one.
research, yeah, keyword research, important techniques, and the making suitable title with keywords. So these things we will, okay, friends, these things we are going to cover into the video one, okay? And we are going to publish each video in Wednesday. Wednesday we will publish each video, one video per week, so that we want to give you time to implement whatever Rubel is, going to show.
Yes, sir. We will give a 1 week to
Yeah.
implement these techniques and practice these techniques so that one can test it live
Yes,
if he
yes,
wants.
yes. Because we don't want that people just only see the theory and they don't implement.
We're offering these free courses only to increase the people's knowledge and so that they can know what to do exactly,
Yes, yes.
not on what is on the market. They can judge what is the reality.
Yeah,
And on
right.
video two, we say that what is the importance of Google and Bing Webmaster, because Google and Bing are the most or the big search engines in the world. And so we need to integrate our website with Google and Bing Webmaster so that Google and Bing can recognize our website. They can know what are the purpose of the websites, and based on that, they will give ranks to websites. So we will discuss the importance, and we will show how to submit a website on Google and Bing Webmaster. Then we will have a discussion
Okay,
on.
I have one question. Rubal. So here you are saying we are going to we are going to implement the Bing search engine also. We are going to implement, or
Of
we are
course, sir.
going to not only Google, but we will give the importance to the Bing
Yes, sir.
also. Okay,
Because
so
with Bing, we can if we can cover the Bing, we can cover Yahoo automatically.
okay,
So
so
basically,
are you going to cover Yahoo also in this video?
if we cover Bing, then Yahoo depends on Bing, sir. Yahoo not
They are
depends on
they are
Google.
the single company, Yahoo and Bing.
They are a single company
Yeah.
and dependent on Bing search. Yahoo don't have their own search methods.
Yes.
Okay. So you mean then it will be applicable to Yahoo search also and Bing search
Of
also
course,
both.
sir. Of course.
Okay. Because lots of people are doing only the Google search.
If
Google.
Google.
yes, and another amazing thing is that, sir, if someone knows Russian or Chinese language,
Then we can go
they can
with
implement this thing on Yandex also.
Yandex. Yes, Yandex for Russian, I think.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. But for that, their website should be in Russian, correct? If they want.
Yes, sir. As I don't know the Russian language, so I'm not
Hmm.
mentioning Yandex. But these techniques also work on Yandex.
Okay.
Fine.
Okay.
Then,
So in video two, you are going to cover this importance of Google and Bing and
yes,
how
sir.
to submit,
Importance and
how
submission.
to, yeah, and how you are going to submission. And
Yes, and
you have
then
also
have a
mentioned
general.
here,
And we will have a general discussion on about Google My Business and the Bing places. We'll
So
disclose the
what is Google My Business? If you just give me a 1 minute.
yes, sir. Google My Business is a free tool offered by Google to listing. If you are a business owner or your client have a business,
Mm-hmm.
you can list them on Google My Business, which will give them some extra benefit based on the local search. We know that all the search happens on Google or Bing. They try to determine their location from where the search are being operated
Okay.
and try to give some result based on that location.
Okay.
Google My Business and Bing Places enables the local visibility increasing. It
Okay.
increases the local visibility, local search volume.
Okay.
So it has a great impact, sir.
Great. Great. And what is this Bing Places you have mentioned here?
Bing Places is there are two map providers that are currently we use. We
Mm-hmm.
use Microsoft Maps or Google Maps.
Okay.
And Microsoft Map, Google has defined their map that Google My Business will appear on Google Maps. Google
Okay.
My Business.
Okay.
And the Bing
Okay.
Places, Bing search engine decide that Google defined Google My Business. I will define
Okay.
Bing Places.
Okay,
So
okay. So
if
both are
Bing
same,
Places,
but different company. The purpose
yes, sir.
purpose is same. Purpose is same, but for the different company, Microsoft and Google, right?
And
Okay,
there is a
right.
secret. There is a secret.
Okay. So
One
those that secret you are going to reveal into video.
disclosing to you that if someone knows Google My Business very clearly, then he can integrate Bing Places with Google My Business. There is a secret technique, sir.
Okay. So I just want to say to the audience who are watching this video, just don't miss to watch a video too. Maybe
And
I
some
think after 1 week we will upload this, and there you will learn the secret which Rubel is telling. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
exactly, sir.
Okay. So
And
what
on
is there in video 3, Rubel?
video
What you are
3
going
will
to?
be just the submission process on Google My Business and Bing Places. Because
Okay.
someone while implementing the Google My Business and Bing Places into a business, many people do some mistakes. And
Okay.
if once a mistake is done, then
Mhm.
that listing is just hangover by Google and Bing. It will never publish.
Okay, okay, okay. So we
So,
should be very careful,
yes,
while
so
making
we'll
submission.
show this process step by step so that audience can realize the importance of the proper process. Because
Okay,
there is some black hat SEO techniques, but that doesn't work on Google My Business and Bing Places.
okay. Anyways, we don't suggest anyone to use any black hat techniques and all
No,
these things.
sir,
We don't
no
suggest.
black hat. Because once a search engine detects that a website contains some black hat method,
Mm-hmm.
they just ban that search website forever, and never can be regained. Once it is
Okay,
blacklisted, the website should be just drop out, blacklisted websites.
okay,
So I encourage people not to implement the black hat techniques because some people implements because the black hat SEO have some within 24 hours result, but it doesn't long last. Sir.
yeah, yeah, yeah. I
Maximum 1 week.
Yeah, it's very risky. It's very risky. If Google find
Very
you,
risky.
then they will ban you, right?
Just
Okay.
ban you. And
Mhm.
never that will never appear on search engines. A website blacklisted.
Okay.
And
Okay.
on
So
video
in
course, yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So in video 4, you are going to tell about off-page and
Off-page
on-page
and
basic.
on-page basic because there are a lot of matters with off-page and on-page. Such as you have to first do some off-page task. What is off-page task? As the backlinks are going to die, so you need to make some better off-page like Reddit, uh, Quora, question answer sites, some social media. You have to make your presence in
Okay.
order to cover the backlink short, because
Great.
backlink will die very soon, sir. Very soon.
Great. So people will understand a lot of new strategies, correct, with
Yeah.
respect to off-page and on-page.
What are the alternatives of
1,200
backlinks?
candidates.
Yeah, Robin.
Yes, sir.
Alternative of backlink. Yeah. So backlink.
Another topic would be on basic, because while making a website, one should concentrate on how the quality of the content.
Yes.
It is SEO friendly, or I made a very good article about 2000 words, but that is not SEO friendly.
Mm-hmm.
Then will the search engine rank that content?
Mm-hmm.
Though it is so good, it will not be ranked. But if some on-page basic techniques we implement to the contents, definitely a 2000 word content will come very fast on Google and Bing.
Yes.
That will be, we will discuss detail on video 4.
Yes. Okay. Yeah. So this is also one of very important,
Of course, sir,
video,
it
because
will change the
I've seen,
concept.
yeah, I've seen lots of people initially struggle to get the backlink and all these things, lot of backlink and all. They always try to find a ways for backlink, but nowadays it is not required. Just focus on this off page, on page, and
Sir, do you have any backlinks to on your Squad Ninja?
I'm not
Have you
sure that we
have you
have.
tried to create?
I never did anything with related to SEO. Okay.
Got it.
So,
So
Squad,
we can show live that Squad Ninja have no backlinks, but how? Why his SEO will help Squad Ninja to come fast on search engines?
Yes.
yeah,
We'll show.
definitely. That's what I'm saying to the viewers who are going to watch this whole program, that we are not only going to tell them theoretical things, we are actually going to implement this under Squad Ninja, right?
Yes,
So,
sir. And they will see the live impact of the techniques. That
and yeah,
it's
we are implementing. Yeah, we are going to implement, and then the people can exactly see the impact or results after the
yes.
implementation. Yeah, that's nice. So what are you going to cover in video 5?
Yes, video 5 will be an introduction to the technical SEO, because we always say that off-page SEO, on-page SEO, local SEO, global SEO, we are familiar with that. But a few people are familiar with technical SEO. We
Okay.
will disclose the secrets of technical SEO and describe the importance of why technical SEO is nowadays very important for a website.
Okay.
Because
So now you tell me one thing. If I am not a very technical guy, okay, if
no,
I am
sir.
not a very, then
Technical
I
SEO.
can,
Technical
yeah, then
is
can we
on.
implement the technical SEO? If I'm not a very technical guy, can I implement
Sir, you
technical
need
SEO?
not to be a technical guy, because there are a lot of people who are very sound in technical side. But you
Okay.
need to know what is the effect. If you know the effect, you can guide them that brother, put some schema, put some skit method, do
Mm-hmm.
something so that real time come fast, so that the SERP visibility come fast. These are the
Mm-hmm.
technical issues, sir. We will
Okay.
discuss about real time, will about SERP, about the CTC, about the CPC. We'll
Okay.
discuss.
Hey, I was just asking, do I need to learn programming to use this
No,
technical
sir, no,
SEO?
sir, no needs. Because
So
there are
what?
programmers. There are programmers to do so. You just
Okay.
give the programmers the proper instruction. Brother,
Okay.
here
Okay.
you need to put some schema.
Okay.
You need to some thing to do so that the dwell time comes fast, or dwell time comes bigger.
Mm-hmm.
If you know technical SEO, you will be familiar what to ask the developers, and developer will do that thing for you.
Okay.
You
Okay.
don't need to do any coding.
Yeah, I got your point. I got your point. At least we should be familiar with the technical SEO so that we can we should we
Exactly.
can give the instruction to the developer to help us on this perspective, right? Great. Okay, so what is there in video 6?
Video 6 will be optimization techniques and schema importance.
Okay.
There are a website must have some images, must have some content, must have some title, must have some keywords. But for better ranking, we have to optimize all those things so that the search engines can recognize better than the others. So we will disclose some techniques through which image can be optimized, content can be optimized, your website can be optimized, you can put some schema. Schema is not another thing, sir. Schema is not for the viewers.
Okay.
Schema will just for search engines. When search engines read the schema, then search engine themselves realize that this schema is for particular person, particular product, or particular website. And when they find this schema on a website, then the search engines give extra priority for rankings to those websites. So
Okay.
we will discuss about the importance of schema on websites.
Okay, so schema is very important right now, right?
From the
Yes,
search engine
very
perspective. Yes. Okay.
Search engine perspective, right.
But most of the developers omit it because it is not viewable by the audience or the
Mhm.
readers. It's only
Mhm.
viewable by the search engines. It will never appear on your website. But search engine have some impact of schema, and the impact is great, sir.
So,
Okay.
Rubel, are we going to implement the schema in the WordPress website, right?
Uh, Schema can be implemented to WordPress, PHP, any website.
Any
But
website.
in our video, as we are not programmers,
Yes.
so we will implement these techniques with a WordPress site
Okay, fine.
so that everyone can guess it. Because
Okay.
our WordPress is free, but it's very friendly for a beginner to design a website
Yes.
and create a website.
Mhm.
And Anamitra sir can focus something on WordPress. He is very expert on WordPress.
Yes.
Yeah, I know WordPress because it does not require a lot of coding and this kind of development and all.
It's only for this. That it doesn't
Yeah,
need some. uh,
yeah, and of course, for all the new beginners who are starting their blogs and all this, they are doing it from WordPress only.
WordPress
WordPress is
only. Yeah.
number one tool. Yeah,
Yes.
number one tool for blogging and all these things. So definitely, if we cover the schema part or any technical part with WordPress, it is going to serve lot of people.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Yeah, great.
lot of almost 99.9% it will be served.
You can say
Because
not 99.9, at least 95% people are using,
those are
the blogger and all this.
languages.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah, right.
Because for bloggers, it's enough. WordPress is enough.
Yes. So, okay, now in video 8, I have seen that we will give all the
Yes.
overall progress, whatever the overall the
We
progress.
audience want to connect with us, we'll have a live discussion from video 1 to video 7. That
Mhm.
what we did, what was the form Discord Ninja at the beginning,
Mhm.
and what is now after
What
8
outcome?
weeks.
Yeah. So even from the
What is the outcome?
video 1, we will show the what is the stats currently.
No,
Okay. What are the
we'll discuss that share some screenshots that before implementing this site
yes.
was in this was the structure, and after
Yes.
implementation and a certain period of time, 2 weeks or 3 weeks, we have got this outcome. We'll disclose it,
Yes. Yes.
Fine.
and
Yes.
will
Yes.
then audience will know that SEO is really important for the website.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. True. So, okay, so these are going to be a 8-week program. Okay, this is
Yes,
going to be 8-week program, and each week we are going to publish one video, and then we'll give them a time of 1 week to implement those things. People can
yes, sir.
implement these things in their website, And of course, in 2 months, we will able to show them some results, some growth, whatever is happening. Okay, during that
Okay.
those 2 months. So in my opinion, this is an awesome program, and it is going to help
I
you
also hope.
guys. Yeah, definitely, it's going to help all the beginners and the people who wants to learn the SEO or who are doing some sort of blogging and these things. It's definitely going to help them a lot.
Yeah, I
Of course,
think
sir, it will help.
lot of beginners are struggle with the backlinks because they are just utilizing the techniques which were used in 2008 and 2010. Till now, they are using the same
Yeah,
techniques. So they will, it will be like a something new for them.
of course, sir. Because within 2 or 3 months, backlink will total die, sir.
Yeah.
In SEO, it will not give any
Okay.
impact on a website.
Okay,
Fine.
great. So on this note, we are going to finish this call, and after 2 days, each Wednesday, we are going to live one. We are going to publish
Yes,
one video
One
on
week.
our
one week.
YouTube channel, our YouTube channel. So guys, if you are watching this, don't forget to subscribe this channel, even the on the notification bell icon, so that next your video, you guys can able to see this and get the notification. Even I will also intimate you via our Facebook group page, and if you are our email subscriber, I will send you an email also.
That's it.
So thank you very much, Rubel, and thank you very much, Robin, for joining with me with this program. And let's initiate it, and let's help more people. Okay, more thousands of people. Thank
Hope
you
so.
very much.